Integration Part 3.
Hi, hello everyone. For this session, we will discuss few problems. So, see the first problem. Show that integration of square root of a square minus x square dx is x by 2 square root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sin inverse x by a plus c. So, see here, consider integration of square root of a square minus x square. So clearly in this case we have to substitute x is equal to a sin theta. Now differentiate on both sides, what you get, dx is equal to a into derivative of sin theta, that is cos theta d theta. Okay. Now substitute here, what you get, integration of square root of a square minus x square is what, a square sin square theta into dx, that is a cos theta d theta. So in this a square is common, you will get a. So a into a square. So write outside of the integration and under root 1 minus sin square theta, that is cos theta into cos theta d theta. So this is a square into cos square theta d theta. So how to write cos square theta? So that is 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2 d theta. So write 1 by 2 outside of the integration, that is a square by 2 integration of 1 plus cos 2 theta d theta. Now integrate separately, what you get, this is a square by 2 integration of 1 d theta plus integration of cos 2 theta d theta. Okay. So this is a square by 2. Integration of 1 d theta is theta plus integration of cos ax. So that is sin ax, that is sin 2 theta divided by 2 plus c. Okay. Now this is a square by 2 theta and this is a square by 2 into sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta cos theta. So 2 sin theta cos theta, so divide by 2 plus c. So 2 get cancelled. So what is x value? That is a sin theta. See here from equation 1, sin theta is equal to x by a and cos theta is equal to square root of 1 minus sin square theta, that is 1 minus x square by a square. Now substitute here, what you get, this is equation 2. So equation 2 implies a square by 2. So what is theta? That is sin inverse x by a. Sin inverse x by a plus a square by 2 into sin theta cos theta. Sin theta, that is x by a, and cos theta, that is square root of a square minus x square by a. So clearly a get cancelled plus c. Now this is what, a square by 2 sin inverse x by a plus x by 2 square root of a square minus x square plus c. So this is RHS. So see the next one. Integration of sine of tan inverse x. So divide by 1 plus x square dx. So clearly this is the combination of tan inverse x and 1 by 1 plus x square. So in that case, let tan inverse x is equals to t and differentiate on both sides. So what you get? 1 by 1 plus x square dx is equals to dt. So substitute tan inverse x into this value in equation 1. So then equation 1 implies integration of sin t 1 by 1 plus x square dx is what? dt. So you know that integration of sin t is what? Minus cos t plus c. So what is t? That is tan inverse x. So this is minus cos of tan inverse x plus c. So this is the required answer. So see the next one. 1 by x plus 3 into square root of x plus 2 dx. Okay. So see here this x plus 3 write as in terms of x plus 2. So that is 1 by x plus 2 plus 1 into square root of x plus 2 dx. Now this x plus 2 as t square. Here x plus 2 is equals to t square. Now differentiate on both sides. What you get? Dx is equals to 2t dt. Now substitute in equation 1. What you get? 1 by this is t square plus 1. Next root of x plus 2, that is t. Dx is what? 2t dt. So 1 t get cancelled. This can be written as 2 into integration of 1 by 1 plus t square dt. So you know that integration of 1 by 1 plus t square is tan inverse t. So this is 2 tan inverse t plus c. So what is t value? See here from this t is equal to square root of x plus 2. Now substitute here what you get? 2 tan inverse square root of x plus 2 plus c. So this is the required answer. So see the fourth one. Integration of 1 minus 1 by x square e power x plus 1 by x dx. So see here derivative of this is what? This one only na derivative of x1, derivative of 1 by x minus 1 by x square. So clearly put x plus 1 by x is equals to t. So differentiate with respect to x on both sides. What you get? Derivative of x1 and derivative of 1 by x minus 1 by x square dx is equals to dt. Now this is e power t 1 minus 1 by x square dx value dt. So what is integration of e power t? That is e power t plus c. But what is t value? That is x plus 1 by x. So this is e power x plus 1 by x plus c. So this is the required answer. Now see the fifth solution. So see here derivative of x e power x is e power x into 1 plus x. So for that assume x e power x as t. See here put x e power x is equals to t. So now we have to differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So clear this is in the form of derivative of uv. So that is x into derivative of e power x plus e power x into derivative of x is 1 is equals to dt by dx. Now this is e power x into 1 plus x dx is equals to dt. Now given integration is e power x 1 plus x dx is what? dt by cos square x e power x. X e power x is t. So this is cos square t. Now 1 by cos square write as sec square t dt. So what is integration of sec square t? That is tan t plus c. But what is t? X e power x. So this is tan x e power x plus c. So this is the required answer. So see the sixth solution. integration of x to the power of 8 by 1 plus x to the power of 8 in dx. See here, this can be written as integration of x to the power of 8 by 1 plus x to the power of 9 whole square dx. So clearly this is the combination of x to the power of n, x to the power of n minus 1. So in that case, the highest power term should be t. So clearly x power 9 is the highest power term. That is, let x to the power of 9 is equals to t. Now differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So what do you get? 9 into x to the power of 9 minus 1, that is 8, is equals to dt by dx. Now this is what? X to the power of 8 dx is equals to 1 by 9 dt. Now substitute these values in given integration. So therefore that is x power 8 dx is 1 by 9 dt. So write 1 by 9 outside of the integration. So dt by 1 plus x to the power of 9 is t. So t square. Now integrate this. What you get? 1 by 9 into integration of 1 by 1 plus t square. That is tan inverse t plus c. So but what is t? That is x to the power of 9. So substitute there. What you get? 1 by 9 tan inverse t is x to the power of 9 plus c. So this is the required answer. So now see the seventh question. See here, given integral, that is x square dx divided by this x power 6 write as x cube whole square, that is square root of 1 minus x cube whole square. So clear, this is the combination of x to the power of n, x to the power of n minus 1. So let x cube is equals to t. Now differentiate with respect to x on both sides. This is 3x square dx is equals to dt. Now x square dx is equals to what? 1 by 3 dt. Therefore given integration can be written as x square dx 1 by 3 dt. So write 1 by 3 outside of the integration. So dt by square root of 1 minus x cube, that is t. So 1 minus t square. So you know that integration of 1 by root of 1 minus t square is sin inverse t. So this is 1 by 3 sin inverse t plus c. But what is t? X cube. So substitute there. So this is 1 by 3 sin inverse x cube plus c. So this is the required answer. So see the eighth one. Integration of sin power 4x by cos power 6x. So this cos power 6x write as cos power 4x into 1 by cos square x dx. So sin by cos is tan. This is tan power 4x sec square x dx. So clearly this is the combination of tan and sec square. So for that, let tan x is equals to t. So differentiate with respect to x on both sides. This is sec square x dx is equals to dt. Now substitute here, what you get? This is t to the power of 4 sec square x dx dt. So you know that integration of x to the power of n formula. This is t to the power of 5 by 5 plus c. But what is t value? Tan x. So this is tan x whole to the power of 5 by 5 plus c. So this is the required answer. So see the next one. Question number 9. Integration of cot of log x by x dx. So clearly this is the combination of log x and 1 by x. So for that, put log x is equals to t. Now differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So what you get? Derivative of log x 1 by x dx is equals to dt. So substitute here, what you get? This is cot t. 1 by x dx is what? dt. So what is integration of cot t? So that is log of sin t plus c. But what is t? That is log x. So this is log of sin of log x plus c. So this is the required answer. So see the 10th one. Integration of cos root x by root x dx. So clear, this is the combination of root x and 1 by root x. So for that, let root x is equals to t. Now differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So what is the derivative of root x? That is 1 by 2 root x dx is equals to dt. So this is 1 by root x dx is equals to 2 dt. So substitute here, what you get? Cos t. 1 by root x dx is 2 dt. So write 2 outside of the integrate and dt. Integration of cos t is sin t. So 2 sin t plus c. But what is t? That is root x. So this is 2 sin root x plus c. See the 11th one. Integration of 1 by x log x log of log x dx. Okay. Now see here log of log x assume as t. So let log of log x is equals to t. Now differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So what you get? Derivative of log x, that is 1 by log x, into internal derivative of log x, that is 1 by x dx is equals to dt. Now substitute here, what you get? So therefore the given integral is 1 by log of log x is t. 1 by x log x dx is dt. So what is integration of 1 by t? That is log t plus c. But what is t? Log of log x. So substitute here. This is log of log x plus c. This is the required answer. So see the 12th one. Integration of 1 plus cos square x. So divide by 1 minus cos 2x dx. So this is 1 plus cos square x 1 minus cos 2x formula, that is 2 sin square x dx. Now separate the terms. What you get? 1 by 2 sin square x, or write 1 by 2 outside of the integration, plus cos square by sin square, that is cot 2 square x dx. Okay. Now this is 1 by sin square x is cosec square x. So that is integration of cosec square x plus cot 2 square x dx. Now separate the integration. What you get? 1 by 2 into integration of cosec square x dx plus integration of cot 2 square x dx. Okay. Now this is 1 by 2 into integration of cosec square x. So cot 2 square x write as cosec square x minus 1 dx plus integration of cosec square x minus 1 dx. Now here integration of cosec square x, cosec square x. So that is 1 by 2 times of 2 integration of cosec square x dx minus integration of 1 dx. Now integrate. So what you get? 1 by 2 into integration of cosec square x, that is minus cot x. Integration of 1 dx is x. Now multiplying inside, so this is plus c. So what you get? This is minus cot x minus x by 2 plus c. So this is the required answer. Now see here 13th one. Here sin 2x by a cos square x b sin square x. See here, if you differentiate cos square x, you will get 2 cos x minus sin x. So that is minus sin 2x. Here plus sin 2x. Okay, so that is the numerator. So that's why this denominator assume as t. So let a cos square x plus b sin square x is equals to t. Now differentiate with respect to x on both sides. That is a into derivative of exponent formula. That is 2 cos power n minus 1. That is cos x. And internal derivative of cos x. That is minus sin x. Okay. So plus b into again x to the power of n formula. That is 2 sin x. Internal derivative of sin x, that is cos x dx is equals to dt. Now here 2 sin x cos x, 2 sin x cos x. So that 2 sin x cos x is common. So what you get? Sin 2x is common. Here b, here minus a. Dx is equals to dt. So therefore, sin 2x dx is what? 1 by b minus a dt. So therefore, the given integral write as sin 2x dx is 1 by b minus a dt. So write 1 by b minus a to the left of integrate, and 1 by a cos square x plus b sin square x, that is t. So what is integration of 1 by t? That is log t. So 1 by b minus a into log t plus c. But what is t? This one. So therefore this is 1 by b minus a into log of a cos square x plus b sin square x plus c. So this is the required answer. So see the next one, 14th one. Integration of cos x by sin square x plus 4 sin x plus 5 dx. So clearly this is the combination of cos and sin. So let sin x is equals to t and differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So what you get? Derivative of sin x, that is cos x dx is equals to dt. So substitute here, what you get? Cos x dx is dt. So divide by sin x sin square x, that is t square. So see here sin x is what? T. So that is t square plus 4t plus 5. So how to write this one? Integration of 1 by, this can be written as t plus 2 whole square plus 1 dt. Okay. Now it in the form of 1 by 1 plus t square. So how to write? That is tan inverse t plus 2 plus c. But what is t? That is sin x. So this is tan inverse of sin x plus 2 plus c. So this is the required answer, 2 plus c. But what is t? That is sin x. So this is tan inverse of sin x plus 2 plus c. So this is the required answer. So see the 15th one. Integration of 1 by e power x minus 1 dx. So see here, for numerator add and subtract e power x. It is e power x plus 1 minus e power x. So divide by e power x minus 1 dx. Now separate the terms. What you get? e power x by e power x minus 1 plus 1 minus e power x by e power x minus 1 dx. Now separate the integration. What you get? Integration of e power x by e power x minus 1 dx. So here minus is come. You will get minus integration of e power x minus 1 by e power x minus 1 dx. So e power x minus 1, e power x minus 1 get cancelled. Now see here, it in the form of f dash x by f of x. So see here, what is f of x? E power x minus 1. Now differentiate with respect to x. So what do you get? E power x. So therefore, you know that integration of f dash x by f of x dx is what? Log f of x plus c. So clearly what is f of x? E power x minus 1. So this can be written as log f of x, that is e power x minus 1, minus integration of 1 dx, that is x plus c. So this is the required answer. So for next session we will discuss more concept and problems.